items may have moved in flight. And thank you for choosing American Airlines.
Welcome to Philadelphia. It is 8:26 p.m. We'll be taxiing over to gate A321. If you checked any baggage, the claim number for those articles are claim number 10. We apologize for our late departure out of Orlando. There is a lot of weather in the surrounding area, especially in the northeast area. We do realize quite a few of you have connecting flights. So if Philadelphia is home for you, you wouldn't mind letting those customers and passengers try to make their connecting flights. I'm sure they would greatly appreciate it. Up-to-date connecting gate information can be found on the American Airlines app or on your seat back monitors. If you need a map of the